When you go to PhET simulations, this is Moving Man, the first screen that you'll come to. We actually want to go to the top left corner to Charts. Once you go to that, you'll see that we have 3 different graphs on our page. The first one is position, velocity, acceleration. On the right-hand side, you have red boxes. When you click the red box, that graph actually disappears. So we're going to make them disappear all except our position graph. Now at the top we have our man. You actually can click on him and start him moving. You can make him go in the negative direction on our ruler or our positive direction on the ruler. You can have him stand still, move very quickly. You can have him go slowly. All different kinds of motions that you want. When you get down to the end, you'll actually run into the wall and you can't go any further. Time will continue until you actually click at the bottom, the pause. Now we have a graph of what our man did. We have a negative direction, we have the positive directions. We can also make him move by clicking on the arrow on the left-hand side. That actually moves his position to different places. You want to be more specific about where you'd like to go. You click on the position and type in where you'd like him to be and hit return. He'll end up there. One thing that you have down here at the bottom is playback to see what you actually did. Hit playback and then play, and you'll actually see the man doing the action of the graph. Anytime you'd like to stop in the spot, hit click again and it'll stop. You can also grab that line and move it to a different place. And the man will move along with it, so you see what was happening in those spots. Down here again, we can open back up our velocity graph. You can see exactly the relationship here between position and velocity. Again, you can move our man and see how that is actually moving between both graphs and see what's happening. You can open up all 3. At any time, you can have 1 graph, 2 graphs, or all 3 graphs open. You can clear your screen by hitting clear at the bottom. All of them were clear and you can start over with a new one. Again, you can move our man back to wherever location you want to start. Your job right now is to go through and explore and find the relationship between the 3 graphs, position, velocity, acceleration. You need to understand what happens between each one. You will later be asked to identify different graphs and be able to tell what is happening in the graphs according to what the motion is.